Hello friends, in this video we will learn about the data types in PHP. Data types define the type of value and variable can hold. In PHP, variable can store different types of data like number, text, true or false called Boolean and object, array, string, etc. So let's start without wasting time. I am using Visual Studio Code for editor and exam server for running the PHP program. So we start the first string. First string. So let's define the PHP. Inside PHP, we have declared the name called hello world. So we display the echo $name. Let's save and start to run the Chrome browser. We have saved. Here is output hello world. Let's see the data type. Here is so hello world string. We have write one word echo for break the line. Here hello world is a string 11 characters. Second guys, integer. So like called $age is a 21. So we are done $age. This is so integer. Output is a 21. Integer whole number, positive or integer or negative or zeros. No decimal point. For integer is not accept the decimal point. Third is a float. Float or double. Numbers with decimal points or exponential form. Let's see. Like that price is equal to 90.99.40 something. When to pay some dumb dollar price. Here the output is 99.40. Let's save and run. Here is semicolon is missing, so we give in O. Something is missing. Semicolon age dollar. Yeah. Int 21 and float. We have given the echo O. Int and float. Float is accept the decimal points. Third is Boolean. Boolean we represent the true or false. True or false. For example, we declare the variable PHP EG equal to 2. We are done. dollar is PHP. Let's save and run. $52. Sorry, here is not semicolon. So given the error, yeah, Boolean is true. And third is array. We have removed all this. We write array for array store multiple value in a variable called fruit. For example, start a fruit to array. We have stored apple, first banana and mango. Store multiple value in a variable, so called array. We are dumb dollar here for fruit. Let's save and run this program. Yeah, array 3 value 0 string apple 1 array start from indexing 1 banana 2 and mango 6 characters. Sorry, here is so in first indexing and banana and string 6 characters mango. Let's see another example for objects. Object store data and functions together. Store data and functions together and create class. For we can see for the class like that we write a class for public $color, for example color, and create a functions set color $C create a for value object and first $this. We explain this when to use $C. Set the function's color after class outside create a object my ball no car and my car equal to set color pass the value red. After we are done, print the object. Sorry, my color, my car, and save run. Call to undefined set color. Yes. Oh, my call is set color using the dash and greater than sign. So we run. Oh, it's proper object. Object store data and function together. This is an example for objects. And after we left null, let's see null. Null basically is a remove this. Null basically is a represent a variable with no value. Let's see example. For example, we have assigned the one variable $x is equal to null. So when to debug the variable, towards output null. Null represent a variable with no value. Okay, let's see another data type, resource. Resource special type used to store a reference to external resource like the database connection, file handler. So let's see example using resource type used to store a reference to external resource like the database file handler. So let's see the examples. Create a variable like that file is equal to file is opening, so FOFN open like tst text read mode. So read mode is opening, the file is name is tst.txt, and we are done download file. We have not creating here anything test.txt, and after running we can create after. Warning, failed to open the stream, no such file in or directory in. So we create one file name tst.txt. We have create here, write hello world, I am programmer. Save again to refresh the page. Yeah, resource type 3 stream, file is opening. So resource is a type used to store a reference to external resource like the database file handler. This is a definition about the resource. So friends, these are 8 main data types in PHP. First we have seen strings. I am using the multiple comment types. First using the string, second is a scene, integer, objects, array, null, resource, and another what can we see, array, Boolean. This is a 8 type of the data types. One is lettering float. So these data types we have seen in this video. Thank you guys.